Hi everyone. This video, I'm just gonna be like flowing, just talking about my thoughts on Redbubble at the moment, like if it's worth it, if I should continue uploading on there or putting effort into it. More of a rant video, not really rant, but just a ramble. Yeah, so regarding Redbubble, initially I had 2 shops. I have a whole video on that and why I like closed one of them. I was scared I was gonna get suspended for copyright reasons. But yeah, now I just have one based on my art, and I feel like since I'm an artist, selling on Redbubble for me isn't very lucrative. When I was just like repurposing memes and like popular quotes from TikTok and things like that, I was selling a lot more because those were things that were trending in the search results. But now that I'm focusing on having like my own brand and my own style of art, it's kind of harder for me to get myself out there, especially on Redbubble because it's so saturated. And having consistent sales, there's a couple products that people buy, but the most of my stuff just doesn't get any views, and this could be very discouraging. But there's also, it's not really a niche for it, like it's just cute doodles and drawings that I've made. So since I don't have like a serious audience around my artwork or serious following, I don't always get a lot of views on a lot of the products that I upload. It can be tiring or like a lot of work looking through all the search optimization, like trying to figure out what sells, what's trending. And if you are coming at it from more of an art standpoint than making just simple designs on Canva, that can be discouraging, knowing that your work isn't trending or isn't something that would be easily searched or visible on the site. And I feel like it is, I would say it's still a good thing to have, just like as an option if you want to say, oh yeah, I make art, and then you can direct people to your website, to your Redbubble shop, and they can see it and maybe buy from you. That's cool. You don't have to do any of the like actual cost of running a business. You don't have to fulfill any of the orders yourself, so in that way, any sales you make, I feel like it's kind of worth it because it's completely passive. You just probably aren't making as many sales. I feel like as an artist, I'm not making as many sales as I would be if I were to post on like Etsy or to have my own shop. Another thing that I've been thinking about that's been bothering me is the shipping price. Since Redbubble doesn't have free shipping, so a lot of times even if I got people to the website, they would drop off probably when they see that the order will cost a lot of money to ship. And that's deterred me from buying a Redbubble as well. Like I have a lot of stuff in my cart, but my shipping price is around $40. I don't know how, and I was like, that's just really outrageous. So because of that, I understand why people don't want to buy, and also the prices are pretty high. They're so high. The tapestries are like $60 and the stickers are like $3, $2 to $3. Like it could be better. At this point, I feel like it would be a better investment for me to have my own shop or my own website, and that's something I want to work on for the future. But for now, as a college student, someone who is new to having a business and like figuring all of the logistics out, Redbubble makes sense for the time being. Especially it's low barrier to entry, low costs, not very time consuming in uploading the products. So I still will keep it up. I'm pretty sure even if I do something else, go to a different site in the future, I'll still keep my Redbubble up just for the chance of making money, just having that as a stream of income. Just maybe not my main one. I think it's unrealistic for most people to think they're gonna make thousands of dollars a month. Some people do it. Those people have either found a way to corner their market or create a new niche, or maybe they filled a gap in some way. And that can't be every person, especially not when there's hundreds of thousands probably of artists now on Redbubble. It's gotten very, very saturated, which is good for the artists, but it's good for the consumers, but not so good for the individual artists who are trying to get their work found. That's where I'm at now. I could get really rambly. Just, do I think Redbubble is worth it? Yes, for the most part. There are some cons to using that platform. I'm also using Society6 now. I've been looking at TeePublic, just trying to not limit myself to one website, one platform. So far, Redbubble has been the only one that I've gotten some sort of traction with, so I'm gonna keep going with it and see where it takes me. It could be very easy to get discouraged when uploading things to Redbubble, but there's still a lot of opportunity and a lot of room for growth, even if you're a smaller designer, smaller artist, or just shop owner in general. So I'm telling myself, and that's what I'm telling you, just, yeah, I kind of just felt like getting this out there, thinking through some things. I mean, I still think Redbubble is worth having, maybe in tandem with other sites. I think it can be more lucrative if that's what you're going for. Yeah, I think it's fun. And now I am rambling, so thank you for watching. I will link my shop in the description as always. If you are new to Redbubble or you've had it a while and your shop hasn't taken off, there's always room for improvement. There's always room for growth. All you need is one product, one good product, and you're good. One good product that's favorable in the algorithm, and your shop will do good. Like, that's what I'm hoping on. That's what I'm working towards. I'll link my Redbubble playlist either on the screen or in the description. So if you want to see more about my earnings from past months or how I upload my videos, anything like that, I will have it available for you. See you in my next one.